This video walks you through how to record owner investment in Wave. Begin by logging in to your Wave account. Once you are signed in and the dashboard loads, move to the left side menu and open Accounting. Then select Transactions. This is where you will enter the money that the owner has put into the business so it appears in the records with the correct account type. From the Transactions page, look for the investment transaction. If it has already come in through a connected bank account or another import source, you can select that existing transaction and update its details. If the transaction is not there yet, click Add Manual Transactions to create it yourself. Either option leads to the same result, so use the one that matches how the deposit reached the account. When you are entering the transaction, fill in the date field with the date the investment was made. Then choose the correct account, which should be the bank or cash account where the funds were received. After that, set the type to deposit. This part matters because an owner investment increases the business funds coming in. Next, enter the amount for the investment. Make sure the amount matches the deposit exactly before moving on. You can also add a description if you want the transaction to be clearer when you review it later. A description like owner investment works well here, but this field is optional. If you prefer, you can leave it blank and continue. Once the basic transaction details are in place, open the category drop-down menu. Scroll to the section for equity accounts. In that section, select owner investment/drawings. This category is what tells Wave that the deposit is not regular income from a sale, but money contributed by the owner. Be careful to choose the equity category rather than an income category, since that affects how the transaction is reported in your books. After selecting the category, take a moment to review the full transaction details on the screen. Check the date, the receiving account, the deposit type, the amount, and the selected equity category. If you entered a description, confirm that it reflects the transaction the way you want it to appear in your records. This final review helps catch small entry errors before the transaction is saved. Wave will then add the transaction to your books with the equity classification you selected, so the contribution is tracked properly and does not appear as operating revenue. The owner investment is now recorded in Wave under owner investment/drawings.